Hello everyone! We are future food technologists from Swiss German University. Our group consists of Bobby Harvin, Fellicia Christianti, Giovanni, Kevin Yonanda, Pratiwi and Steven Chandra. Today, we would like to tell you about cold expeller. Our topics today are related with the principle of cold expeller, parts of cold expeller machine, sample that is suitable for using cold expeller, how to operate the machine, and last but not least, the precaution of using cold expeller. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Now, I'm going to tell you about the cold expeller principle. The raw materials enter one side of the press and waste products exit the other side. And then the raw materials are supplied to the press in a continuous feed. The raw material will move along the screw while being pressed using mechanical friction force and continuous high pressure to extract the oil in a single step. The oil seeps through small openings that do not allow the pressed raw material to enter.
Oil obtained exits through a filter at the end of the head of the machine. Afterward, the pressed raw material are removed from the machine. As the raw material is pressed, friction causes it to heat up. Pressure involved in expeller pressing creates heat in the range of 60 to 99 degrees Celsius. Cold expeller applies cold water bath to decrease the temperature and to retain pressed oil quality. Extraction conducted at low temperature of ±4 degrees Celsius. And solvent extraction may be needed to extract the remaining oil.
Cold expeller consists of gearbox, seat hopper to input the sample, barrel, expeller screw to expel the sample, oil canals, press head, and press nozzle. It also needs water bath to prevent the overheat. Next, I'm going to tell you what sample is suitable for cold expeller. The common sample for this machine are a sample that contains water or oil and of course can be expelled. For example, sesame, candle nut, and olive.
There are several steps to operate or start the cold expeller. Before we turn on the machine, make sure the gate allowing seat to the press is closed, so later we obtain only the oil without the waste. In order to maintain the quality of our oil, low temperature must be achieved. Thus, we prepare the cold water bath that is connected to the cold expeller. After the preparation is complete, now we can start the press machine. Select the desired drive speed if the machine has speed controller. Put samples into the seat hopper little by little so it will not cause the screw to jam. The oil drip will come out from the oil hose in the barrel and we can collect the oil into a container.
Now I will tell you how to shutting down the press. First, close the gate that allows feedstock to flow to the press. Then, wait until the flow slows or stops, and oil no longer leaves from the barrel. Turn off the machine if they have been used. Then, shut off the screws.
As for the precaution, you should beware with the press case. Make sure that your hands are not near the press case and make sure your hands are dry when you handle utensils such as spoon. Unless the press case will harm your hands or make your utensil crooked as shown on the picture. Here is a video about how cold expeller works. Check it out! Thank you for listening our explanation about Code Expeller, and we are hoping that our explanation will make you understand regarding Code Expeller. Cheers and have a good day!